Microsoft Visio app. The pros, the cons. If you need to create flowcharts, diagrams or process maps, the Microsoft Visio app promises professional design on the go, but is it worth using over desktop software? One of the biggest pros is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming diagramming is only possible on a PC. With the Visio app, you can create, edit, and share diagrams directly from your tablet or phone. For example, you can sketch a flowchart during a meeting and instantly share it with your team via email or cloud services. Visio also integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365. This allows you to import data from Excel, share diagrams in Teams, and collaborate in real time. It's ideal for teams that rely on cloud collaboration for project planning or process management. Another advantage is template variety. The app includes hundreds of templates and shapes, making it easy for beginners and professionals alike to produce clean, professional diagrams without starting from scratch. However, there are cons. Some users report that the mobile interface feels cramped for complex diagrams, and certain advanced features, like detailed data linking or custom stencils, are only available on the desktop version. Performance can also be slower on older devices when handling large diagrams. In conclusion, the Microsoft Visio app is perfect for users who need quick, professional diagrams on the go. The surprising truth is that while it offers impressive mobile functionality, complex projects are still best managed on a desktop. For creating simple flowcharts, sharing designs, or collaborating in meetings, Visio on mobile is powerful, but desktop access remains essential for advanced features and large-scale diagrams.